Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 9 in EVS, that is people in my neighborhood. First of all, we will know who are neighbors. We live with a family in a house. Many other families also live near our house. These families who live around us in their homes are our neighbors. So, neighbors are the people who live around our homes. They also live in their homes around our homes. Since the people who live around us are our neighbors, in the same way, we are also neighbors to someone. Neighbors in Hindi we say padosi. Neighbors play an important role in our social life. Good neighbors make a life pleasant. It is very important to be a good neighbor. We should always help our neighbors and share things with them. So, it is very important that we should always be a good neighbor. We should not hate them. We should love each other. We should respect each other and share our things with them. We should always help them when they are in need. And then only we can expect them to help us when we are in need. Now we will see what is neighborhood. Neighborhood means any area around or near our house. As we all know that there are some important places, there are places which are around our homes, around our house. So that area, that place is a neighborhood. In Hindi we say pados, aas pados. So there are places, there's an area which is around our house, that is called neighborhood. There are many people in the neighborhood who help us in our daily life. They do different types of work to earn money. As our parents earn money for us, in the same way there are people who are living around us. They also do different types of job to earn money. Some neighbors help us and fulfill our needs. So these people who are living around us, they do different types of job in order to earn money. In this way, they help us in our daily life and they fulfill our needs. Now let us see how. People in my neighborhood. There are many people in the neighborhood who help us in our daily life, like painter, carpenter, plumber, electrician, farmer, tailor, postman, taxi driver, cobbler, policeman. There are so many. So there are so many people who play different kinds of role. Means they have different kinds of jobs to do. And by performing those jobs, they are helping us in our life. It can be a painter. It can be a carpenter. It can be a plumber. So there are so many people who help us in our daily life. Now let us see who are these people. First, you can see this is a picture of a painter. Painter paints the walls. We all know that painter is a person who paints the walls. He uses paintbrush and wall paint colors. We can see in the picture, this man is holding a paintbrush. With the help of this paintbrush and the colors, he paints the walls. He is a painter. Then next we can see this is a carpenter. Carpenter makes furniture out of wood. We can see in our home there are so many things around us which are made of wood. These furniture which are made out of wood, these are wooden furniture, these are made by the carpenter. So he uses tools like handsaw, measuring tape, hammer, nail, etc. He uses tools, he uses materials. You can see here this carpenter is having tools. He is having hammer, he is having handsaw, he is having measuring tape, okay, he is having nail, he is having so many instruments, so many tools with which he is able to make furniture. So carpenter also helps us by making furniture for our homes, for our office. Next, plumber. Plumber fixes and repairs taps and pipes. Plumber is a person who fixes and repairs taps and pipes. He uses tools like wrench, pliers, etc. We can see here, this is a plumber who is holding a wrench. This is a wrench, and he is also having a toolbox in which he keeps all the materials which are required in his work, in his job. So he carries this box along with him wherever he goes to repair the taps and pipes. Then this is electrician. Electrician fixes bulbs and mends wires. So he is the person who is responsible for mending wires and fixing bulb. He is an electrician. He works in the field of electricity, means his work is related to electricity. He uses tools like screwdrivers, voltage tester, pliers, etc. So he is also having different kinds of tools which help him to conduct his job. Next is farmer. Farmer grows crops and raises livestock. He works on field. So farmer is the person who grows crops for us. If there is no farmer in the country, then we will have no food to eat. So farmers are responsible for growing different kinds of crops on agricultural field. Not only growing crops, but also they raise livestock. It means that they rear animals like cows, buffaloes, sheep, goat, etc., which also help them in agriculture. Next is tailor. Tailor stitches our cloths. He uses measuring tape, scissors, thread, sewing machine, etc. So tailor is a person who stitches our clothes. He also uses materials, the tools like measuring tape. He has a sewing machine, as you can see in the picture. He has a sewing machine with the help of which he stitches our clothes. And finally, when the clothes are stitched, we can get a final dress that we wear. So he uses scissors, thread, machine, tape, and so many other materials which he requires for the stitching of our clothes. Next, postman. Postman delivers letters, parcels, and money order. He carries a bag full of letters, etc. He generally travels on bicycle to deliver letters from one location to another. So postman is the person who delivers our letters, parcels, and money order to other places, and he also carries them from there to our home. He has a bag. You can see he has a bag in which he carries all the letters and money orders. So he generally travels on bicycle, and then he takes these letters from one location to another. Next is taxi driver. Taxi driver takes passengers from one place to another. We all ride on this taxi. We all ride on e-rickshaws. So these drivers, they take us from one place to another. Then next is cobbler. Cobbler mends shoes. He uses tools like scissors, pliers, hammer, etc. So he is having these tools with the help of which he mends our footwears. Next is policeman. Policeman catches thieves and looks after our safety. He prevents crimes and protects the public. So policeman is the person who is responsible for the safety of the public. He looks after our safety and also protects us from robbery and also prevents crimes around the country. Next is firefighter. Firefighter is also called fireman. These are the people whose job is to put out fires and rescue people. So these are the people who put out fires and they rescue people, means they escape people when they are caught in fire. So these people help out others. Next is sweeper. Sweeper sweeps or cleans the floor and ensures cleanliness all around. He uses a broom and shovel. So he is having these two tools with the help of which he cleans the floor and he ensures that everything all around us is clean. Then next is mason. Mason is a person who works with bricks, stones and cement to construct structures such as wall, etc. So these are the people who works with bricks. You can see in the picture, this man, he is building a wall. So these people build a wall or fence or any structure with the help of bricks, stones and cement. Next is greengrocer. Greengrocer is a person who sells fruits and vegetables. In everyday life, we all need fruits and vegetables. So we buy these things from the greengrocer. Greengrocer, you can see in the picture, he is a person who is having a balance with the help of which he measures, he weighs the fruits and vegetables and accordingly we pay him and we get the things required. So let's summarize what we have learnt in this chapter. People who live near our house are our neighbors. This we have already discussed. Neighbors are, in Hindi, they are padosi. So these are the people who live near our house. Next, there are many people in our neighborhood who help us in our daily life. We all know that there are many people who live around our area, around our house, that is our neighborhood. So they help us in our daily life. These helpers are painter, carpenter, teacher, peon, milkman, maid, cobbler, policeman, washerman, plumber, electrician, etc. The list is numerous. The list is endless. So, children, the people who live in our neighborhood help us in some way or the other in our daily activities, in our daily life. So these people are also called our helpers. Always remember that we should speak politely to our helpers. We should not be rude to them. We should respect them and always say thank you for their services because they are very helpful to us and they fulfill our daily needs. So they should be respected. I hope, children, you all have understood this chapter well. Now it's your turn to go through the chapter properly and try to grasp it. Thank you.